and welcome to this video where we are required to express this expression as a fraction in its simplest form. Every time I do this type of question, the very first thing that comes to my mind is there any terms here that I can factorize? True enough, I can. I could actually factorize this. I just drop a special note at the side by using the algebraic special product. A squared minus b squared equals to a plus b times a minus b. So if I were to write x squared minus 9, I could rewrite 9 as 3 squared. And then you can easily see that x could be a, 3 will be my b. And then I could then rewrite x squared minus 9 as, as you have guessed it, x here, x, oops, sorry. X plus 3, x minus 3. That's the first thing. And therefore, my first step, you would then see Mr. Tan here writing it as 4 over x minus 3 minus x minus 27 over x plus 3 x minus 3. Okay, so I've successfully factorized this. Next, I saw that, x minus 3 is already there. So to make them as a single fraction, I need to make sure that the denominator is the same. So I would then need to multiply by x plus 3 to this fraction, both the numerator and the denominator, so that you will then see Mr. Tan next step. Mr. Tan will draw a straight line already, because the denominator will be x plus 3, x minus 3, and at this point, do take note that Mr. Tan, do not expand or simplify first. Rather, Mr. Tan write everything neatly in a single fraction first. And what other thing did Mr. Tan do? Yes, Mr. Tan purposefully write a bracket here. Because we are not only minusing x, we are minusing the negative 27 as well. And when we explicitly put down the bracket, you can then see the next step would then be for us to simplify the numerator. It will look like this. Okay. 4x, 4 times 3 will be positive 12. And when we minus away a negative, this will become minus x, and this will become positive 27. This is the catch. So if you're not careful, you would probably high chance make a careless mistake. And that is something that Mr. Tan is trying hard to avoid. That's why I put down the purple bracket. Okay, the denominator is still the same, x plus 3, x minus 3, and after which all we have to do is to simplify the top, and this is what you will get. 4x minus x, that will leave me with 3x, positive 12, positive 27, positive 39, with my denominator. And it is good habit to actually simplify. If we can factorize anything, we factorize. So I will actually at this stage take out common factor 3 for the numerator. Okay, just to make sure that we cannot simplify any further, and in this case we cannot simplify any further. So this will be the final answer. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.